Yo, what's up YouTube? It is 5 o'clock in the morning right now, and we're hooked up to my dad's King Ranch with the trailer here because, if you may or may not know, and for those who don't know, Kyle and I were coming back from Born Free, and through Odessa, Missouri, we absolutely vaporized a deer, man. Just completely annihilated it, and it totaled my Chevy Colorado. So, Daddy-O and I over here were hauling up to Westfield, New York, because I found a truck. I found a new truck, a new old truck that is. I'm gonna be getting a 1991 crew cab F350 7.3 liter 5-speed manual. Wow. And so yeah, we're hauling this Bad Larry trailer up there to go grab it. New truck market nowadays is absolutely bonkers, so I'm getting an old truck. You know how it is. Anyways, no motorcycle content today, but hope you enjoyed the video. Here's my new truck. Well, as you can see back there following us, we have secured the truck. And there's Lulu again. Show you there out the rearview mirror. There she is. So we're just making our way over to this barbecue joint now. Gonna get some lunch and get back to the house probably around 9 o'clock tonight. Unload the truck tomorrow, and then we'll do some more filming. Well, it's tomorrow now, and in the broad daylight, the truck's still on the trailer right here behind me, but let me show you one thing. We're gonna get her off the trailer in a minute. I got just a little bit of a diesel leak, just a little bit of a fuel leak right there, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. I mean, you know, obviously it's an old truck, gonna have some stuff, but yeah, let's get her off the trailer.
That's heavy. This is smacking in the head.
So why we are doing this, because as you can see, the ramps are just a little bit too high. The trucks make the trailer go like that, and then you go like that.
Absolutely not.
if we can find second gear here.
It doesn't sound the best.
Second gear in the backyard, what do you know? I know this is the content everybody's been waiting for, but this is my new old truck. What do you think? Tell him, Farrah Fawcett. Give him the rundown. What is it? What'd I win?
This is a green truck.
What else is it?
It has 4 doors.
Nice. And?
It's old.
All right. Here you go. Let me tell the internet a little bit about my truck. So, this is a 1991 Crew Cab F350 with a 7.3 liter diesel. We got the 5-speed manual transmission in here. And she's gonna need just a touch of work, just a little bit. But she runs, she drives. The frame is in good condition, thankfully.
Comes with bugs.
Comes with bugs, yeah. The frame is in decent condition, thankfully. I got some minor rust stuff to address here. Nothing too crazy. I got a leak in the fuel tank, so might have to replace that if I can't just patch it up. But yeah, I'll give you the rundown of the truck here. And Natalie, why don't you hop in? I'll go ahead and start it up for him for the internet. All right, my truck. Let the glow plug suckle here. There we go. Woo. Baby girl. Fires right up, don't she? Yep. What do you think about them pineapples, baby?
Pineapples?
Pineapples. Yeah.
What are pineapples?
I don't know. Just a figure of speech.
I've never heard that in my life.
Oh, here, get out the truck real quick. I'm going to show them the engine bay. We got an aftermarket turbo on the truck, a Gen Banks turbo setup. All the belts look great, no cracks or anything like that. I got a little bit of wobble in my flywheel down here in one of my pulleys. Other than that, probably gonna have to replace that bad Larry. But yeah, she's a diesel, man. So yeah, more truck content to come, I suppose. Still gotta figure out my Camaro a little bit there, and then of course, more motorcycle content as always. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much. Peace.